You got anything?
Oh, I just came here. Well, I don't know. First time. I don't know how to set
Island.
it up. I don't know. This is the right thing?
Yeah, it's okay. Any kind of bait is okay.
Huh?
Any kind of bait is okay.
You have everything set up here now.
Yeah.
Real professional. So where you buy that stuff?
Fishing store.
Where?
Fishing store.
Which store?
Fishing store. Like a natural sport. Where do you live?
I live in Brampton.
Are you live in Barton?
Yeah.
There's some fishing store there.
What is store name?
Huh?
What is store name?
Just search it. Search in the Google.
Yeah, what do you call again?
I don't know the name, but just search fishing store. Yeah.
Fishing store. Oh, okay. Okay, let's pass them through like that.
Yeah.
What size? Not size 2?
Size 2. I use only size 2, size 4, and size
Yeah.
6.
Never seen that before, man. That's
There's
specially for
many.
salmon? That's specially for salmon?
Yeah, there's a fake egg of salmon. Fake egg.
So you just pass the line through? What do you call?
Bead. Plastic bead. They pack like this. They pack like this.
Oh,
Pack like this.
you can put that through.
That's
You
a
can
small
pass it
one.
through.
They're spinning over there.
Huh?
Spinning.
Oh,
Spoon.
yeah.
But I don't use that.
Huh?
I don't use that kind of
He's the master, okay?
Huh?
He's the master.
He's the master, yeah. Look.